The biggest mistake you can make this year might be skipping the Pixel 11 Pro because it looks too familiar. At first glance, it doesn't scream next-generation flagship, but once you dig beneath the surface, the story changes completely. Google may be preparing its smartest Pixel yet, and if the latest leaks are accurate, this phone isn't trying to beat the competition with flashy gimmicks. It's trying to outthink them. Here's where things get interesting. Multiple reports from Android headlines, Phone Arena, and OnLeaks suggest that Google isn't reinventing the Pixel's design. Instead, it's refining almost everything that actually matters. The iconic camera bar is staying, but it's expected to get a cleaner all-black finish, with even slimmer bezels surrounding the display. The phone itself could be slightly thinner while keeping the same comfortable 6.3-inch size, making it feel familiar but noticeably more premium in the hand. But that's only the beginning. The real upgrade may be hiding inside the phone. According to several industry leaks, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to debut Google's brand new Tensor G6 processor, reportedly manufactured on an advanced 2nm process. That may not sound exciting at first, but it could deliver one of the biggest efficiency improvements we've seen on a Pixel. Better battery life, less heat, faster AI. Those are the upgrades users actually notice every single day. And then there's connectivity. For years, Pixel fans have complained about modem performance. Google finally seems ready to address that. Rumors point to a switch from Samsung's modem to MediaTek's flagship M90 modem, promising stronger 5G reception, improved signal stability, and better battery efficiency while connected to mobile networks. If you've ever watched your battery disappear because of weak signal strength, this could be one of the most underrated upgrades of the entire phone. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where Google usually surprises everyone. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to retain its powerful triple-camera setup, but leaks suggest brand new sensors for both the main and telephoto cameras. Google has never relied on huge megapixel numbers alone. Instead, it combines intelligent image processing with hardware that simply works. If those new sensors arrive alongside the upgraded Tensor chip, low-light photography, portrait shots, and video stabilization could take another major leap forward. But wait, it gets even more interesting. Several leaks hint that Google is preparing entirely new AI experiences instead of simply adding more editing tricks. Features like enhanced Gemini intelligence, context-aware assistance, and even an experimental audio memory system could allow your phone to remember conversations, recognize sounds around you, and organize information in ways smartphones have never done before. Of course, these features are still rumored, and privacy controls would be critical. But they show where Google believes the future is heading. Even the display may receive a meaningful upgrade. Reports suggest Google could use Samsung's newer M16 OLED material, offering brighter outdoor visibility, richer colors, and improved power efficiency while maintaining the smooth 120Hz refresh rate Pixel users already love. It's the kind of improvement you may not notice on a spec sheet, but you'll definitely notice when using the phone every day. Here's the twist that nobody expected. While other flagship brands keep chasing larger cameras, higher charging speeds, and bigger numbers for marketing, Google appears focused on making every part of the phone work together. The Pixel 11 Pro may not win every benchmark. It may not charge the fastest. But if these leaks prove accurate, it could easily become the smartest Android experience you can actually buy. My prediction? If Google delivers everything that's currently rumored, the Pixel 11 Pro won't just compete with the next Galaxy or iPhone. It could become the Android flagship that people recommend without hesitation, not because it has the craziest hardware, but because it offers the most complete experience. So now I want to hear from you. If you were buying a flagship this year, would you choose the Pixel 11 Pro over Samsung's Next Ultra or Apple's Next Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to see which side you're on. And if you want to stay ahead of every major Pixel leak before anyone else, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big reveal.